Hello friends, this is Sai Fanindra from SQL School, trainer and technical consultant. With 19 years of dedication on trainings and IT-enabled services, I assure you 100% practical step-by-step trainings on this PL-300 certification examination. PL-300 exam training, it's all about Microsoft certified Power BI data analyst associate. And my classes will be 100% score-based, content-based, example-oriented classes from scratch, right from the basics. Let's have more detail. Let's have more details about PL-300 examination content. As a candidate for this particular exam, we should be able to provide meaningful business value through easy to comprehend data visualizations as per Microsoft. We should be able to enable others to perform self-service analytics. Here others means the end users, the customers and the stakeholders. As a Power BI data analyst, you work closely with business stakeholders to identify business requirements. You also need to collaborate with other data analysts and data engineers to identify and acquire data from various data sources from Excel, CSV, flat files, JSON, XML, websites, apps, mobile apps, desktop apps, databases, warehouses, social media, and so on. From wide variety of data sources, we are supposed to read and extract data and add color to it, reports. So you use Power BI to prepare the data, model the data, visualize and manage, and also securely host Power BI reports. The skills measured. Prepare the data, 30% score, and model the data, additional 30% share. And we have visualization and data analysis, 30%. Additionally, manage and secure Power BI, another 15-20%. 4 modules put together forms Power BI PL-300 certification exam. So in this course, in this detailed step-by-step PL-300 training, what we learn from scratch, what is what, with the basics of Power BI reports, basic to advanced visual analytics, visual interaction. I'm repeating this slide again. What we learn in this PL-300 examination detailed course content. We'll start with Power BI from scratch, from the basics, step by step. We will learn Power BI introduction, installation, basic reports. We are going to learn grouping, hierarchies, binning, and drill downs. We are going to learn visual interactions, visual syncs, insights, filters, drill through, bookmarks, buttons, and big data access with various Power BI visualizations. We are going to learn Power Query concepts, 50 examples, cloud additional 50 examples, completely oriented for your PL-300 examination score. Additionally, we have 50 examples on DAX, an unmatched, unique, step-by-step course content for your job work as well as for your certification. I assure you, I promise you, detailed course content. Whatever may be the complexity of the examination, sometimes the exam questions are simplified. Sometimes the exam questions are simplified. Sometimes there are few twists and tricks. We should be able to address both with ease in the examination room. My detailed course content will damn sure prepare you for the best possible score in the exam. Our PL-300 is all about reading data from various sources, as I said earlier, few minutes back. On my screen, the Power BI is into reporting platform. PL-300 is all about reports, the red box on my screen. In PL-300, we are tested by Microsoft for our skill set on reading data from database sources, non-database sources, web sources, non-web sources, structured files, unstructured files, desktop apps, mobile apps, small data, big data, and lot of other variants. My course will prepare you for all these kinds of unique parameters for best possible exam results. What more you are waiting for? Please reach our team. Let's understand more about the course. Let's understand more about the topics involved in this particular PL-300 exam. Either you are a starter or experienced, developer or a tester, administrator or an architect, IT or non-IT, anyone, everyone can opt for this PL-300 exam. You can be a data analyst, developer, or you can be a data engineer from this PL-300 examination. Not only that, even fabric data analytics or big data analytics job roles are also, they will gain advantage from this beautiful PL-300 exam. Let's have a live demo session. Let's understand more about the topics and the breadth and width and depth of our course. We'll understand the things slowly, step by step. And I need your support. On-time practice throughout the course is very much required for my technical practical classes. Thank you so much. And this is a screen where I provide additional trainings on other certifications as well if you are interested. Apart from PL-300, we have DP-600, DP-700, DP-300 examination trainings also. Please reach us for more information. Reach my team for more clarifications on your type of learning, maybe live online or self-paced. Anyone, same content, same curriculum. See you there in my classes. Thank you so much. Have a nice time and all the very best from bottom of my heart for your certification score. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Bye-bye. See you. Take care.